Hello. So I am in Goa today, and आज से I am going to explore all the famous beaches of North Goa. और उसके साथ साथ I am also going to show you the best cafes these beaches have. Like हर beach का I'll give you 1 or 2 recommendations. So if you are coming here, definitely check these places out. So now let's dive into this video and let me just take you to our first spot for today. So we are at Nova Cafe today, and this is by the side of Vagator Beach. And this cafe, oh my god, this is just awesome. यहाँ से बीच का व्यू इतना प्यारा दिखता है, इसका एम्बियंस इतना कूल है, and also the food, it's yum. It's like seriously yummy. Now let me take you inside and show you the vibe of this place. These two are the sittings and they also have a pool which looks something like this. I'm very sure this place की vibes रात को बहुत अच्छी होंगी, like literally. And there you can see the Vagator Beach. वो जो पूरा एरिया है वहाँ से बीच दिखता है. So this is a beach view, sundowner type of cafe. They also have another pool by the side of the beach. We tried a lot of food options here, including hummus, pita bread, the dirty bowl, pasta, etc., and everything was just amazing. Also, the drinks are to die for. You should definitely check this place out during sunny days. थोड़ा बारिश में इसकी vibe off हो जाती है, but can you see the beach behind me? If you can, the view is awesome. And मेरे इस side पे there is a pool. And अभी ना सब कुछ बंद हो रखा है, which is kind of bad. And थोड़ा सा vibe off हो जाती है जगह की ना. से देखो ऊपर पूरी वो plastic sheets and all लगा के, because obviously they also have to do some arrangements. But otherwise this place is damn awesome. And the food is lovely. You definitely have to come here. And अगर आप रात को शाम के टाइम आओगे तो मज़ा ही आ जाएगा, मज़ा. जैसे पूरा जो थलासा वाली वाइब है ना, आपको मिल जाएंगे. एंड थलासा ऑल्सो थलासा की साइड में ही है इससे. सो अगर आप आओ और आपको थलासा में जगह ना मिले, इन केस, यू कैन डेफिनेटली कम हियर. थोड़ा सा गली के अंदर घुस गया, बट हम ऐसे रैंडमली सर्च कर रहे थे, हमें ये जगह मिल गई. इट्स ट्रूली अ जेम. Next place in our list is Kiki by the Sea at Udo Beach in Seolim, and just look at the crowd here. So, यहाँ हमसे एक बहुत बड़ी गलती हो गई है. हम Kiki by the Sea आए थे and यहाँ पर फुल बुकिंग है and बाहर भी लोग खड़े हुए हैं, like literally पूरी लाइन लगी हुई है. And इसलिए हमें यहाँ पर बुकिंग नहीं मिली है and we are now thinking of going to some other place. So let's see where we go. But if you come here to any of the sundowner cafes, please book a seat. Please do a reservation beforehand. This is actually a very cute sundowner cafe. And while riding to another place on this beach, we got to see this amazing sunset. So Kiki by the Sea से हम अब आ गए हैं मिया, and this is also a sundowner cafe. This is another hidden gem क्योंकि मैंने ये कहीं भी recommendations में नहीं देखा है, and I am going to show you this and let you know if this is a worth it place or not. By the way, यहाँ पे भी आपको बुकिंग करनी पड़ेगी, and the cover charges are 2000 per person if you want to book the sea facing view, and otherwise there are some charges. You can always call them and ask. So let's go inside and explore this place. They have this cute downstairs sitting जहाँ से आप सनसेट का पूरा मज़ा ले सकते हो. and this very cute and signature photo spot. सनसेट के टाइम यहाँ से क्या मस्त फोटोज आएंगी ना. And now we are going upstairs because रात को that's the most lively area of this place with DJ and all. We had pasta, rainbow salad, khao soy, which is a Burmese dish, and a lot of cocktails, and every other thing was finger licking good. The vibe of this place is infectious and it's an underrated place, so ज़्यादा rush भी नहीं मिलेगा. We danced our hearts out and ended our day here. According to me, you should definitely visit this one if you are staying anywhere around Seolim. Next up, we have Cafe El Mar at Baga Beach. So the ambience is giving full-on tropical vibes. I really don't know about the food, but this place feels amazing, like full-on Goa vibes. And I'm going to try the drinks and let you know how they actually are. You can literally see the whole beach from here and the waves are just awesome. We had edamame hummus and Goan poi here. It was so good that we ordered like 3 rounds of the same dish. But honestly, the cocktails were not that good. So if you're coming here, just go with more safer drink options like beer and all. Otherwise, it's an amazing place with amazing sitting and vibe. Really cute and the view from here is just amazing. You just don't have to miss this if you are coming to Baga Beach. And this is also a sundowner cafe, so definitely try to visit it. It's very cute and also overhyped place nahi hai, so you know you can just sit and relax. Just come here while sunset ke time pe aana, so that you just don't miss the amazing sunset from here. I would say the tropical vibe, proper tropical vibe. It's too good. And the next place on our list is quite famous, and I hope आपने इसका नाम सुना ही होगा. This is Tomatoes at Morjam Beach. It's famous for all the right reasons. अब हम आ गए हैं Morjam Beach. This is how it looks. Actually काफी peaceful है, तो अगर आपको एक peaceful beach चाहिए हो, तो do consider this beach. We took some pasta and pizza from here and it was just awesome. And the tiramisu literally melts in the mouth. I literally couldn't have anything better. Let me just show you the ambience of this place. We have loved this place so much that we are staying here for the rest of the evening. So just enjoy with me. The vibe is just infectious. And now we are going to order. Let's see what we order now. We also have Indian, and the pizza, spaghetti and everything was really nice. Just don't forget to try the tiramisu, which is damn awesome. It just melts in your mouth. We ordered a Greek salad and this meze platter, which was bomb, and repeated some of our previous orders like pizza and pasta. And we couldn't miss this tiramisu again. The food here is just bomb. They also have this live fire show which you can enjoy while having dinner, and this place is 10 on 10 from my side. The food is awesome, the ambience is awesome, everything is just awesome. Now let's move to our last place for this video, And you must have heard this name earlier too. It's Purple Martini at Anjuna Beach, a place that's about to add a splash of sophistication and a dash of enchantment to your evening. Now, you might be thinking, what's so special about this beachside spot? Well, my friends, Purple Martini is not your average haunt. This is one of the best places to witness sunsets in Goa. It's a cocktail of elegance and beach vibes, shaken, not stirred. From the plush seating to the subtle glow of purple lights, this place oozes sophistication without losing the laid-back charm that makes Anjuna so unique. And let me tell you, food at this place is amazing, but the drinks are a sip of pure bliss. The party vibe here is just another reason one should not miss out on this place. We just had so much fun and danced our hearts out. Is a bit on the expensive side, but all the hype is worth it. This, I would say, was the best evening I had in Goa.
These were just some cafe recommendations, but you are always free to explore some more places like that. And do let me know in the comments down below if you have much better places so that I can come to Goa next time and explore those. Bye bye.